Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start now, plug the watch into a known good 5V/1A charger and use a new cable. Once done, perform a forced reboot. Hold the power button for 12 to 15 seconds until you feel vibration or see any LED. If nothing happens, make sure the charging pins are clean and aligned. Check the port for debris or corrosion. Don't waste time on apps. Confirm physical charging and a reliable cable before moving to internal fixes. Once the watch shows no power, carefully open the case with the right tools. You need to preserve the gasket and screws. You then isolate the battery, disconnect its flex, wait 10 seconds and reseat it to clear a soft fault. While open, clean battery and board contacts with 90% plus isopropyl. Corrosion stops charging. Measure the battery voltage. If it's below about 3.0 volts, it won't boot. Make sure to check the power button flex cable and pads for torn traces before reassembly. You finish by reassembling the watch, making sure the gasket sits correct and screws are snug but not over-tightened. If the hardware steps failed, connect via the watch's diagnostic pads or USB in DFU mode and flash the stock firmware using official tools. This can recover a bricked device. Make sure to follow the exact firmware for your model. If after flashing and a new battery, the device still shows no board activity, you likely have a failed power IC and should pursue authorized repair or component replacement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.